Hello everybody, today we make a fish salad. And this dish is so good and I want to show everybody to make this dish today. For the fish salad I use calamari, I use some shrimp I got over here, I got a polpo, mussels, bay scallops, and this is the tentacle, the calamari. I wash everything done, and this is the polpo right over here. It's more taller than me, the polpo. And I got a lemon, black pepper, salt, black olives, I got a parsley, garlic, and I got a lemon peels. Okay, we started to cook the polpo, the hot pussy can stay long to cook. And we started like this. And I put only little salt over here. Okay, and we put it down. And this you gotta cook for 20 minutes. I want to pour lemon peel inside, okay, keep the color nice. Okay, now the water boil, and now this it's for the scallop, the shrimp, and the calamari. I put the lemon peel inside. And we started with the scallops. Make sure the scallop you not gotta cook too much. All right. When the scallops is done, we start put the shrimp and the calamari. Okay, the scallops it was cooked 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Okay, you don't want to cook it too much, okay, it's rubber. And we put it right over here in the cold water. And the fish, you gotta be cold. After I gotta make a salad, everything you gotta be cooled down. Okay, now this is in the cold water. I take the lemon and I put it back again. This is cold already. What I do, I pick it up over here and I put it right on this dish, parts over here. Okay. And the scallop is done. Now we leave the boil the water again, and we got the shrimp. The shrimp you gotta cook. It's not the big shrimp for the fish salad. I don't use the big. I use the smaller one. And this you gotta cook like 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now the shrimp is done, and we gotta cool off for the same like I did the scallops. Look how nice it look. This is shrimp, beautiful. Okay. This is done, and we take the lemon, we put it back, and the shrimp, it's cool off with the cold water, and we put it right over here, and this together with the scallops. Okay, now it's a time the calamari. And the calamari, it take a little long, the shrimp and the scallops, and we put the calamari boil. All right, and we put this down. Good. Okay, now this you gotta cook like maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And now I got more calamari, everything, I put extra water. And the pulp over here, it dents in the water by itself. Look at this. Go back, baby. Okay. Now I gotta chop my garlic really thin. Okay, you gotta go in a salad. And you don't want to find a big piece. Same thing, I want to chop my fresh parsley from my garden. And the parsley, it gotta be the same thing, really chop it thin, but not the same like a garlic. It can be a little big. Okay, the calamari is ready. Turn the gas off. And we put it right on this cold water over here. I want to cool off this, and after I gotta cut it. I gotta chop this. Now, like I said before, make sure to keep a little water for this. And I put it right over here. Because when I mix it with the lemon and the oil, everything, I need a little water. Everybody like dip the bread inside. And I keep this water right over here. Now this, you gotta cool off a little bit. And I gotta chop, I bring on the table, and I wanna chop little piece. Okay, now the pulp is done. Turn the gas off. and we pick up and cool off this turn. Look at this, it was so long, it's short now. Look at that. It looks like a mushroom. Okay, now I want to clean up all the tentacle in cold water, and like this it comes nice clean. I take it out the hot push for the water, and when I carry it for the cold water, look what he did to me. It was go psh. He gave me a shot over here, the hot water. Now, to start to cut this, you cut this piece over here, like that. Okay? Now, make sure, you see this little hole? Put the finger over here, and this, my son is saying, call it big. You see this? You gotta come out of this. And now it's clean. This one, you can use as you want, but I don't use. And now we start the cutter, and you cut the piece out what you like. You want like big, small, any kind you want, but I cut like this. Okay. That piece now ready, and we mix it together with the shrimp and scallops. Now we cut the calamari, and we cut the piece like that. The tentacle over here, you don't gotta cut. But see, you want to cut it, it's too big, you can cut like this one, it's a little big, and you cut in half. Now the calamari is chopped, it's ready to put it all together. Okay, now all the fish is most done, and we put the rest I need. I got the mussels. I got the parsley. I got the garlic. The olives. I need the salt. Not too much, got already the fish, the water, it's already salt. I got a black pepper. The black pepper, it's a teaspoon, and I use all. And now we got olive oil. It's really good oil for the salad, okay, you gotta use. I got a lemon, and we use this is a 3/4 cup, the lemon, but I don't use all, but half that taste. And now we give a nice mix. I got the water that I pick up before. Okay, everybody like a dip of bread at this salad. And I put a little water. Okay, now I can't wait to taste this. Plus, when I taste this, I got my zoom zoom, chin chin salute. Okay, let's taste my fish. I got my bread over here. Okay. And this, you can keep it for 1 week in the refrigerator. No problem. Okay, everything gets cooked, everything you got the oil. I eat this after 1 week, and still it's the best, it tastes much better. Now I put a little drop of oil on the top. And now I want to taste my fish salad. Okay, we start with the pulpo. Bread. Hey, I got my oil, baby. Look at this. I open the jumbo now. Really good. The shrimp, it's cooked perfecto. And now, nice cold white wine. This I want to enjoy by myself, but I got my son, okay, he love this. With a nice glass of wine, and I want to say to everybody, salute chin chin. Salute, chin chin. so good.